guy's walking around a pet store one day and spots a talking parrot. Ever since he was a little kid, he's wanted one, so on an impulse, he blows his entire paycheck, buys the parrot, and takes her home. When he gets home, the parrot surpasses his wildest expectations. Her vocabulary is phenomenal, and she's even wont to quote the scriptures occasionally. The only problem is that she has a tendency to swear, which the guy can't handle since he's a religious Jew. He's at his wit's end and finally decides to sit down and have an earnest conversation with the parrot. He explains that he really enjoys her verbal skills, but that his religion doesn't permit him to hear such language. The parrot promises to mend her ways, but the guy doesn't notice any significant improvement. At last he decides he has no choice but to take matters in his own hands and institute correctional measures. He tells the parrot, "Look, I'm going to be placing you under house arrest in the freezer for a few minutes, and hopefully you'll be rehabilitated once you come out." The guy follows through on his plan, and when he takes the parrot out of the freezer a few minutes later, the parrot says, "It's cold in there. I've learned my lesson. You win. I promise never to swear again." The guy says, "That's wonderful. Now we can look forward to a satisfying domestic life together. I'm really glad we straightened things out." The parrot says, "I'm glad too. That chicken looked pretty intimidating when he told me to get the fuck out of there."